Alright, so this is my second video in 2 consecutive days. Trying to wrap up all my unfinished kits. I basically had 3 kits I was working on at different stages. So I just finished the Indy. So I'm just about done with the R35. So I put in the front strut tower brace. I changed the design to a wishbone shape instead of the straight bar, so it's more like a stabilizer anti-sway bar. The ends react like an extension, and the torque or the twisting all occur in the middle section. Plus, when I put the body on, you'll see it contours with the hood. It just looks nicer. Just barely touch with a Molotow pen, so it looks like chrome nuts. So we'll see how that looks when we put it together. The hood, I don't know how you guys do it. Maybe when you airbrush it, you have a cleaner environment, but I seem to always get a speck of dust right over there. See a little dot? I mean, unless I work in Intel microprocessing where it's a dust-free environment. I don't know how you guys do it. But anyway, this is as good as I can get the hood. So it's polished, ready to go. And the interior. So I wanted a contrasting color. I could have used black, but red was out of the question, and the only other color they had was blue. I would have preferred a yellow, but they didn't have it. So it was a red, black, or blue. So I chose blue. The rears are the factory shoulder and lap belts. So that was just a standard Gopher aftermarket with the photo edge buckles. And the front is the Edward made in Czech Republic 4-point harness. That was a lot of work. Just to do the buckles and the adjusting straps was a kit in itself. And also with the crazy glue. You can't use a tweezer and hold it too long, because then you end up ripping the paint off. So it was just barely long enough for it to kind of disappear, but it should have been a little bit longer so I can attach it to the ground. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Blue. I think the rear is like a ribbon shiny material. And the front is like a metal flat blue color. That's the dash and okay, so it's ready to come together. So I'm gonna put everything together, show you the final product. Alright, so with the body and chassis made it, this is what the engine compartment looks like. Everything, all the high performance parts are highlighted in pink, red, and blue. So the front strut bar matches the contour. You can see, I actually got that idea from the internet. I saw it available for the R35 straps. Don't know if you guys can see. And that's pretty much it. So let me put on the hood. Alright, so this is the final product with the hood in place. I just realized why the hood was so challenging for me, because it has all these folds and multi-angle cuts in them. So I had to spray from different angles, and if I spray too much, they start to drip. So anyway, here it is, the final product. As usual, I'll have stills at the end. Raised white lettering. You can see the tires move. Although I think the bottom pan is dragging the floor. It does move, and that's about it. So hopefully you guys like it. I'll have stills at the end. Alright,